Ever thought about starting a dropshipping business straight from your phone? Well, dropshipping is a retail method where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a product is sold, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping: you can manage the whole process from your mobile device. Talk about convenience. Intrigued? Stick around to learn how to set up your own dropshipping business from your phone. The first step to start a dropshipping business on your phone is market research. Now, why is this important? Well, understanding the market is like reading a map before a journey. It helps you navigate the vast world of e-commerce and find your profitable niche. Think of it as your GPS, guiding you towards the products that are in demand and away from the oversaturated markets. Similarly, identifying your target audience is like knowing the language of the country you're traveling to. It allows you to communicate effectively with your potential customers and tailor your marketing strategies to their needs and preferences. Now you might be thinking, how do I do all this on my phone? Well, the good news is there are numerous mobile apps and tools available to assist in this process. These digital tools are like your travel companions, making your journey easier and more efficient. Once you've done your market research, you're ready for the next step: finding suppliers. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to find suppliers. This step is crucial in establishing your dropshipping business. Reliable suppliers are the backbone of your venture. They not only provide the products you sell, but also handle shipping logistics, freeing you to focus on marketing and customer service. So how do you find these suppliers? There are several ways. You can start with a simple online search for suppliers in your chosen niche. Explore supplier directories, which are databases of pre-vetted suppliers. You can also attend trade shows or industry meetups to connect with potential suppliers. Remember, it's important to develop strong relationships with your suppliers. Good communication and trust are key in this business. Several mobile-friendly platforms can help you manage these relationships, making the process even more convenient. With your suppliers in place, the next step is setting up your online store. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into that process. You're doing great. Now let's set up your online store. There are several mobile-friendly e-commerce platforms out there. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are just a few examples. Each offers a unique set of features, so take some time to figure out which one fits your needs best. Remember, your online store is your digital storefront, so make it inviting. A user-friendly interface is key. You want your customers to navigate your store with ease, find what they're looking for, and check out without any hitches. Attractive product descriptions are another must. They should be engaging, informative, and truthful. Give your potential customers a clear picture of what they're buying. And speaking of pictures, don't skimp on them. Quality images can make or break a sale. And voila, you've set up your online store. But don't celebrate just yet. There's more to learn. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've discussed the basics of starting a dropshipping business from your phone. We started with market research, a crucial step to identify potential products and understand your target market. Then, we moved on to finding reliable suppliers. Finally, we set up an online store, your gateway to the world of e-commerce. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next part of this series uploading tomorrow, where we'll delve deeper into marketing strategies for your dropshipping business. Remember, the world of e-commerce is at your fingertips.